Step inside the USF Health Morsani College of Medicine's 400-seat auditorium, and you'll quickly realize how functional this 8,500 square foot room is for large programs. Your eyes will immediately be drawn to the 18-foot tall ceilings, acoustic sound panels, and LED lighting, making it a very comfortable space. As your eyes lower, you will see the room's 4 large wall-mounted screens, perfect for easy presentation viewing. There are 2 podiums located at the front of the room. Need less space? Allow the large ceiling-mounted accordion divider wall to lower, making the auditorium into 2 equal sides, capable of accommodating 200 people. Whether for 200 or 400 people, every seat includes power outlets for use by attendees. The furniture is comfortable and flexible, making it possible for a limited number of room configurations that include classroom, cube, and lecture-style arrangements. A comprehensive audio-visual package is available for use. This includes a podium-mounted PC, a gooseneck microphone, ceiling-mounted LCD projectors, and complimentary Wi-Fi. Additional audio-visual equipment is available for panel discussions, video conferencing, or recording of presentations. Directly outside the main auditorium doors is the Vesely Lobby. This large pre-function space is perfect for event registration, pre-, during, and post-event receptions, food preparation, or exhibitor displays. Both the auditorium and Vesely Lobby are located on the 2nd floor of the Morsani College of Medicine and are easily accessible by elevator or stairs. To learn more, contact the USF Health Downtown Events team online and complete the Plan Your Event section, or call 813-224-7847.